I'm reviewing the COOSII Quality Stereo Sound AC01 wired headphones. The driver's 40 millimeters and it's got extra bass. And it's for your tablet, your phone, your computer, or your laptop. Okay, comes with this carrying case made of cloth. And you have the companies, they're green, so they're definitely into the environment. And you have the user guide. Okay. Typical 3.5 millimeter plug. One thing I liked about them was that they were collapsible, foldable, folds, okay. And for those who don't know, it's clearly marked left and right, you know, depending on what your use is. Okay, so they're foldable. That's great. Now, for the other side of the coin, what I did not like. Okay, do they have bass? Yes. I don't find it to be clear. I don't find it to be crisp. And this headset is very, very, very mid-range heavy. Very mid-range heavy. And it's missing some clarity that could be there. But truthfully, what we're talking about is a certain price point. We're not talking about a headset that's for critical listening. We're not talking about something that's audiophile material. Having said that, I like separation. And I'm not talking about sitting there listening to classical music where I want to hear every hit. I don't necessarily need to hear the fingers going up, you know, across the strings on a violin. I don't need all of that. But the thing is that these are just too mid-range heavy to the point of sounding muddy. So, given the price point, they're what you would expect. But I still cannot recommend it unless you just don't care about the sound and you're not really critical. You just want something you're going to throw over your ear, you know, your head and listen to while you're on the computer, or maybe play a game and you really don't care about the sonics. But for those of you who want something that's going to be a little clearer, then these would not be for you. So I will rate them a 2.5, 2.5 stars. And I recommend it only for those who are not going to be critical or not using them for critical listening. And you just want something that's not very expensive and you just want to hear sound. If you're looking for nuance, to hear every nuance, that's not it. But if you just want something that you're going to fold up, put in your bag and listen to maybe on the train where you want an ear cup, perhaps. Don't want your ears, you know, plug in your ears so you can hear some of what's going on around you. So, again, for me, 2.5 stars, and only recommended for those who are not looking for anything that requires critical listening. And that would be my review.
All right, I'm going to open up these wired headphones. I didn't want Bluetooth because Bluetooth is not good for you. So I'm happy that I found some with wire still. So it's the first time I'm opening it. So And I'm doing this with one hand, so I apologize in advance. User guide. Okay. Let's see. And it looks like it comes in a nice little carrying bag. Need anything else? Nope. All right, so it looks like these are the cords, the cord. Oh, this is the actual cord for the, yeah, okay, I was thinking charger for some reason. Okay, yeah, so these look really nice. Okay, I like it. It's collapsible. It's a nice blue color. And the leather on here feels really, really soft and plush. So it's really comfortable to wear. And these are headphones. I believe this has a microphone. Yeah, there's a microphone too. So you can use this for conference calls. Just open this all the way. I love that it's collapsible. It's easier to carry. All right. So I'll try these on and I'll talk about it in my review. Oh, look, they actually tell you which ear it goes into. Cool. All right. Well, anyways, I think they look really great. Even this has a is that a rubbery? It's a rubbery strap or something there. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I don't know if it's adjustable or not. I'll have to play with it and see. But yeah, so far I'm gonna say 5 out of 5. And if there's any problems that I encounter, or if it doesn't sound good or whatever, I'll put it in a review, in the written review. Thanks a lot. Take a look at these headphones by COOSII. Now, these things are really awesome. Here you can see them here. They're wired headphones with just a auxiliary cord at the end, and they have these super awesome, super plush ear pads. We have a right-left kind of ear pad indicator. So here we have them on my head. They're adjustable, so if your head is a little bigger or smaller, you can bring them down. Again, these ear pads are super plush. Really comfortable, and they're a lot bigger around the ear than most of the headphones kind of on the market, especially ones that are wired. So I really love just how comfortable they are on your ears themselves. It comes with a control panel, like little buttons right here. So we have an up down for volume, and then we have kind of a center button, so that could be pause play, or Siri or Google. Just kind of depending on what they're plugged into to be used as. The other cool thing is they do fold up, so we can fold them in here. And then they also come with a carrying bag right here, so we can put them
away and you know, take them with us on a trip or wherever we're going. So they're not going to get ruined or messed up, you know, as you take them. You know, overall, I love these. I love that they're wired. You know, I love to use them on the computer as well, and they're just comfortable, easy to wear. You know, again, super adjustable, foldable. So I hope you guys get a chance to take a look for yourselves.